Alright, I'll go up to this gas station up here. Hey, yo, Brandon, how you doing, man?
Man, long time no see, man.
Oh, hell no. Oh, man, I gotta call you back real quick.
Alright.
Motherfucker, you just wrecked my motherfucking car. Motherfucker, you just wrecked my motherfucking car. I'm gonna whoop your ass now. Motherfucker, I'm gonna whoop your ass. Ah, shit. Medic. Ah, shit. Ah, motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker. Come back here. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Come back here. Motherfucker. My car! Get the fuck out of my car! Man, how the fuck can this day get any worse? No, 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 no!